Okay, so today, try uli nating magsagot ng ilang topics sa ating MathScore account, no? So, try natin yung topic, specifically yung simplifying, ayan, saan na yun? Ayan, algebraic expressions 2, no? So, konting recap nung algebraic expressions 1. It's about adding and subtracting polynomials, no? Kinaiba lang niya, madalang po yung mayroong grouping symbols, no? So, ayan. Hanggang dito sa part na to, yun yung ating sinagutan. And, ayan, naka 100 naman ako dun sa video na yun. Now, itatry naman natin tong simplifying algebraic expressions 2, wherein the topics will apply yung the laws of exponents for multiplication. No, and merong ilang items din about radicals. Okay? So, let us answer some examples. No? So, dito muna tayo sa samples part ng ating lesson bago tayo magpunta sa worksheet. No? So, as a recap, meron tayong tinatawag na meron tayong laws of exponents for multiplication, meron naman for division. Nagningiyaw yung kuting ko, gustong lumabas. Wait lang, ha? Ben, hanggang dito ka lang, ha? Yan. So, the first law of exponent is what we call the product rule, no? So, sabi sa product rule, if you're given with bases having, monomials having same bases, no? So, you have to copy the base and add the exponents, no? So, siguro familiar kayo dun sa notation na sandali, dun tayo sa brushes tayo. Yan. So, yung x raised to m times x raised to n, you copy the base, the same base, no? Then add the exponents. No, so on our first given, we have 2 raised to m, 2m raised to the negative 3 raised to negative 3 times 7m raised to the 5th. No, so applying natin yung laws of exponents to m raised to negative 3 at 7m to the 5th. No? So, preferably, ito, sasagutan nyo to kapag natapos na lahat ng ating laws of exponents na discussion. No? So, we multiply the numericals. 2 times 7. This is 14. Then, copy the same base, m. Then, since same bases sila and bawat exponents have their own bases, parehas may m na base yung negative 3 at positive 5, we multiply negative 3 and 5. We add, 3 and 5. So, negative 3 plus 5. Therefore, our answer will be 14 m to the second power. No, so, reveal natin yung answer. Tingnan nga natin kung tama. Ayan. So, 14m to the second power. Next. So, ito naman. So, kung kanina, product rule, ulitin natin. Product. No, so, product rule, kapag ang exponents mo ay may parehas na base, okay, you copy the base and add the exponents. Pag naman ganito, no, so yung meron tayong exponent, 3 and 2, no, and yung 3, ang base niya ay v, ang 2, ang base niya ay yung kabuuan na 9v cube, no, hindi na siya product rule. Ito na yung tinatawag nating, ito na yung gagamitan natin ng tinatawag na power rule. No, so balikan natin, sinasabi kasi pag ang given natin ay ganyan, no. This one is called a power, and when we raise a power by an exponent, no, para yung 9v cube times 9v cube. Okay? So, para mapaikli yung process na yon, pwede nga gawin mo na lang is 9 times 9, which is 81. Diba? Multiply. 9 squared kasi. No, so raise each factor to the second power. So 9 squared is 81. And then v cube times v cube kasi to, no? Or para mas madali, v cube, ito yung 3. Ito mo, times na lang natin yung exponent na yun. No? So, siguro familiar kayo sa notation na, ayan, no, ang ginagawa, x raised to mn na lang. We multiply the exponents. No? So, therefore, our final answer is 81. V raised to 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so again, saan galing yung 81? Galing siya sa 9 squared. Sige, wait lang ah. Palitan ko yung 81 dito. Gawin ko siyang 9 squared para kita nyo kung saan galing yung 81. So, 9 squared. Parehas mo silang in-erase. I-minultiply sa sarili. No? Or kumbaga ay raised sa 2. No? Ang pangit ng aking pagkakasulat ng 1. Buburahin ko. Hindi ko ma-select. Yan. Delete. Delete. 9. 9 to the first. Next 2. Yan. Okay. Kaya siya 9 squared na lang and 9 squared is 81. So, sige. Tingnan nga natin kung tama yung ating sagot. Reveal. Ayan. 81v to the 6th power. Ulitin natin saan galing yung 6. Minultiply na lang po yung 3 at saka 2. Again, manggagawin lang siya kapag yung isang exponent natin, ang base niya ay yung kabuuan ng ating monomial. Next. Ayan. So, dito naman po, square root, no, of 64h to the 4th. No, sa mga ganyan, huwag kayong matataranta dyan kasi na-discuss naman natin yung squares and square roots dati. No? So, para rin yang power rule, pero instead of having 2 as an exponent or 3 or a whole number, ang exponent natin dyan is a fraction, no? Oh, nabago, sorry. Single variable equations. Ibalik natin doon, no? Balik natin. Tayo ay nasa simplifying. No. So, sige. Click ko yung Yan. So, sa 3. Okay. So, always remember, no, para rin yung ganito. Let's say ito, 4y to the 4th. 4y to the 4th. Tapos, yan. Kukunin daw natin yung square root ng 4y to the 4th. No. So, this is the same as square root of 4 times, no, ito kasi ay square root of y to the 4th is the same as y to the 4th times 1/2. No, tandaan ninyo na itong atin pong square root, no, kaya nga siya square, no, meron yung index dito. At kung ano man yung index dito, square, kasi 2 ang index niya, yun yung denominator. No, fractional exponent siya talaga. Okay, so kaya kapag sinagutan natin yan, square root of 4 is 2. Then, y to the 4th, 4 times 1/2. Diba? 4 times 1 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. So, 2 times y squared, or simply 2y squared. Reveal nga natin. Ayan, 2y squared. Isa pa. Sige, ito muna, no? Favorite number nila yung 9. Pero, yan mo na. No, so, ito, power rule din to, or power of a product actually, kasi mayroon tayong isa pang given aside from the variable with an exponent, no? So, 9, sulat natin, 9b to the 4th raised to the 4th power is the same as 9 to the 4th b to the 4th raised to the 4th power, no? So, yan, mumultiply natin yun. So, 9 to the 4th is 9 times 9 times 9 times 9, no? So, nilagay natin dito, 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. Ito ay 81. Ito ay 81. So, multiply na lang natin tong dalawang to, no? Mag-calculate na tayo para hindi tayo super tagal, ha? Pero actually, kakayanan nyo naman to kahit walang calculator, no? Ayan, nawala. Yan, no? I-close ko pala mo na to. Calculator. Hindi, wag na nga tayo mag-calculator. Sama-sama tayo sa hirap at ginhawa. So, 81 times 81. 81 times 1 is 81. 8. 8 times 8 ay 64. No, so, it's 6,481 siya. So, 6,481. B to the 4 times 4 is 16 power. Sige, tingnan nga natin kung yun yung ginawa nila dito. 561. Yun nga. Bakit 400 yung sagot ko? Oh my God. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 8, 64. Hindi ko na carry. Sorry. Be careful dun Hindi ko na carry yung 1. So, 65. Yan. Nakikita ninyo, no? So, kung saan ako nagkamali, malamang-lamang, no? So, dun din kayo mag-iingat. Okay, so 6,561. Time nga natin yung merong exponent. Ito pala. So, ito, may radical ulit, no? Yan. Power rule din to. Variation lang siya. Okay? So, ayan. 9x to the 6th. Power rule din yan, Para yung 9x to the 6th raised to 1 half. Okay? It's the same as 9x to the 6th raised to 1 half. No, so kumbaga, ito ay kukuha na natin ng square root si 9 at yung x to the 6 natin. No, yung 6 to times na sa 1 half. Okay? So, square root of 9, alam nyo na yan. No? Ang kukunin lang natin ay principal root. So, this is, ang 9 is the result of 3 times 3. So, kaya 3 siya dito. Then, kopya si x. Then, 6 times 1 half. Half of 6, diba? Half of 6. This is 3. Nagkataon po magkagaya yung numerical at exponent ulit Pero, hindi naman laging ganon. Okay? So, 3x cubed. Isa pa. Ito. Yan. Burahin ko na lang ito Again, nagkaiging exponent lang ay 1 half pag may radical or may square root sign. So, 64, palitan naman natin. No, maya-maya. Huwag puro may radical at baka kalain nyo. Laging ganon, no? So, 64 q to the 8th power, or kukunin natin yung square root niyan. So, ang gagawin natin, we get the square root of 64. And then, yung q natin, q to the 8th, raised siya sa 1 half. No, actually parehas raised to 1 half yung 64 at saka yung 8. Nagkataon na ang 64 naman kaya natin kuhanan ng square root na diretso. No? So, square root of 64 is, yan, kung sinabi nyo 8, you're correct. No? So, 8 times 8 kasi is 64. O yan, so 8. Then, q, kopya. Then, 8, half of 8 is 4. No, so, we have 8q to the 4th power. No, so yung iba kasi, nakita nyo na sa sa examples natin. Yan, no. So, yan, parang ganun din, power rule din yan. So, nagkaroon lang ng negative exponent. So, ito, halimbawa, negative m raised to negative 1 to the 5th power. No, so ito, may hidden 1 yan. So, sige nga, itry nyo nga. Negative 1 to the 5th. Negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. Negative 1, sorry. No. So, ito, dalawang negative, positive na yan. Ito din, dalawang negative, positive na yan. May isang naiwan kang negative, so, ibig sabihin, negative 1 to the 5th is negative 1. Then, m to the m raised to negative 1, no, multiply mo na lang sa negative 1 at 5. So, negative 1, ita-times mo sa 5. Therefore, it's negative 1 m raised to negative 5. No, ito lang yung medyo dito Hindi ko kasi sure kung dito isusulat natin ng fractional. Sige, i-reveal natin Kung hindi siya fractional, ang magiging sagot na ay ito. Pero may times kasi na hindi nila ina-accept yung negative exponent. So, kung hindi man natin gagamit yung negative exponent, no, it will become negative 1. Okay, then dala yung m sa denominator. Then positive na yung 5, no? So, balikan nyo yung negative exponent, no? Reveal natin. Ayun. So, dito in-accept nila. Pero may times kasi na hindi nila ina-accept. Sa ibang lesson siguro yun. Yung may negative exponent, no? So, ayun. Okay, so try na natin mag-answer ng items. Subukan ko hindi maubusan ng time, no? Kasi magsasagot tayo habang nagsasalita ako na kung ano-ano. Okay. So, pakita ko lang ulit. Wala pa. Hindi ko pa siya nasasagutan. So, 0 pa yung percent ko dito. Okay, so do worksheet. So, negative 1 times 3 ay negative. Gamitin niyo yung panel para sure. Hindi ko kasi alam kung pwede siya ng type. Ayan, naita-type naman siya gamit ang ano. Pero yung exponents, mahirap pag-type. Kaya, gamitin niyo yung panel. So, kinopya na natin. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. X at X, at the X, kopya yon. Then, you have to put the exponent, no? So, kung hindi naman 2 or 3 ang exponent, no, ito yung gagamitan nyo. So, negative 3 plus 4, kasi po product rule to, no? So, negative 3 and 4, the result is 1. So, siguro hindi na natin kailangang isulat yung 1, no? So, done po yung pipindutin, hawag yung right arrow. Then, negative 9 times 6, negative 54. Then, n. Tapos, 3 plus 1 is 4. So, ito yung lalagay ko. Gagamitin ko yun, then 4. Done. Uy, done. Ayan. Negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16. Then, C, same base. So, type lang yung C. Nasaan yung C? C. Type na lang natin gamit yung keyboard. Pwede ba yun? Ay, sorry. Hindi wala kasi negative 2 plus 2 na to. So, 0. 16 na yon. No, hindi siya pwedeng C to the 0 power. Simplified na dapat. So, 16. Next, negative 4 at 9, negative 36. No, kailangan sa ulo ng multiplication table. Then, y to the 1 plus negative 4 to. So, negative 3. Type natin, negative 3. Okay, done. Then, 5, negative 8 times 7, and then negative 54. Feeling ko sa sign ako dito ano kasi yung ibang sign hindi ko na tinitingnan. Negative 4 plus negative 1 is negative 5. Wait, naging exponent ba yun? Delete. Hindi. Delete. Exponent. Negative 5. Buti na lang. Done. Okay, so submit answers. Re-reviewin ko pa ba? Ayan, may nagkamali nga ako. Bakit? Ay, oo nga. Bakit ba 54? 56 kasi naman. Ayan. O, do next worksheet. Negative 5 times 9, negative 45. Kopya yung M. Tapos negative 1 plus negative 5 is negative 6. So, ito. Pindutin yung exponent, tapos negative 6. Done. 7 times 7, 49. C raised to negative 3 plus 4, no? So, magkaiba yung sign. Subtract ulit. So, 4 minus 3 ay 1. So, C na lang siya. Hindi na ilalagay yung 1. Then, 6 at negative 9. Ito ang negative 54. Kasi naman, 56 yung kanina. Then, 5 at negative 2. 5 minus 2. 3. 3. Negative 5 and negative 6, positive 30. Then U, tapos, oh my gosh, yung pusa kinakagat yung mouse. Negative. Hoy, wag nga. Kulit. Ayan. Ano na pipindot? 4 at 4 ay 8. Wag nga! Ang kulay. Ha? Delete. Negative 8. Aray ko. At ako kinakagat mo. Bad mo. Nung nga. Yan, done. Check na lang natin mamaya. Tapos negative 2 at negative 7, edi 14. Kopya ang K. Tapos 1 at negative 2, edi negative 1. Raised to negative 1. Tumutunog kasi yung mouse, kaya natutuwa siyang kalabitin. Reviewin mo na. 14. 1 minus 2 ay negative 1. 30. Negative 4 plus negative 4, negative 8. Tama pala. 5 plus negative 2. 3. Okay. 4 negative. 49. C. Tapos 45M. Negative 6. Okay. Yan. So, do next worksheet. So, ito. Power rule na to. So, negative 3 times negative 3 kasi 2 to. So, negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. Z, kopya yung Z. Then, negative 2 times 2. Times na to ita-times mo yung exponent. Okay, negative 2 times 2 ay negative, exponent muna, negative 4. Done. Sunod, 6 times 6, 36 times 6. Oh gosh, may calculator ba tayo? Ito pala, meron pala sa baba. Ba't ba tayo nagpapakahirap? 36 times 6 equals 216. O, 216. S to the negative 1 times 3, the negative, delete. Ito, negative 3. Done. Tapos, negative 4 to the 5th, the negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4. 5 dapat. Equals 1024. Hindi ko sure ha. 1024. Negative 1024. W to the negative raised to negative 25. Done. Then 10 times 10, 100 times 10 is 1,000. P to the P raised to negative 3. No, so 10 times 10 times 10 kasi dahil to the third power, ha? So, done. Then, negative T to the fourth, basta even yung exponent, positive ang sagot, ha? Kasi cancelled or magkaka-partner kasi yung mga negative signs. So, T to the fourth. Done. Okay? So, pag pinundot ko na yung, done. Yan, pag pinindot ko na yung done, pwede ko na siyang i-back para ma-review yung answers, no? Huwag niyong pipindutin yung arrows hanggat hindi nyo nasi-save yung sagot. P raised to negative 3. Okay. 4 times 4 ay 16. 16 times 16. Kasi 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 na yun. Equals. Tapos times 4 ulit. Okay, 1024 nga. Tapos, tingnan mo, negative, negative, 5 negative yan. So, yung unang dalawang negative, cancel na. Yung pangatlo at pang-apat, cancel na. So, yung pang-5 negative na lang ang natira. Kaya may negative yung ating numerical. Okay. 6 times 6, 36 times 6. Ayan, 216. Ayan, gain the level na tayo, halfway na. Plus 125 points. Okay. Then, do next worksheet. Ayan. So, may radicals na tayo. Ganun ulit din. Square root mo to. Then, kalahatiin mo yung exponent nito. No, so square root of 81 ay 9. B raised to half ng 4 ay 2. No? Kasi lagi naman ganun pag square root. O, done. 36x to the 4th, square root of 36 ay 6. 6x to the half ng 4, 2. 36m to the 10th power, square root ng 36, 6. M, half ng 10, 5. Half lang ha, half. And, tapos 36t to the 6th, 6. T, tapos to the 3rd, half. Times 1 half kasi yan. 6 times 1 half. Then, 49y to the 10th, edi 7. Y, 10 divided by 2, 5. No. So, yan. Bago nyo i-submit yung answers, review muna. Para ma-check nyo, 7y to the 5th times 7y to the 5th. No, dapat ito lalabas. Mukhang okay naman. Sige, submit answers natin. Yan. So, mastered na natin. So, pwede naman tayong mag-do next worksheet. No, pwede pa itong i-raise hanggang 110%. No, pero dahil ano naman, okay na tayo. So, pwede na go to topics menu tayo dyan. No, so, monomials naman yung given doon, kaya alam ko kayang-kaya nyo yun. No, ang magiging next na natin siguro dito will be itong distributive property, kasi yun yung monomial times polynomial na natin. No, so, konting ito, na-discuss na natin to kahit pa paano dun sa adding and subtracting eh. No? Pag bukod sa minus sign ang given, no? Kung halimbawa, number ang given, so minumultiply 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 1, 2. So, babalikan na lang natin yan next time. So, ayun. Good luck everyone. Try to answer nyo po ito. At i-add nyo na po sa inyong required topics. No? So, alam ko parang meron ganun doon. So, ayan. 51% complete na tayo. If you followed yung mga topics na discuss natin.